Ezekiel, thou hast been in Eden, the garden of God. Na ano ba ang King Tyros ato? Panahon sa Eden, si ano nung ibara na dito? So that is symbolical. Thou was created. Wala evidence diha ng King of Tyros, bisan sa king na lang sa Tyros, nga wala gimabdos. We say created, like Adam and Eve, gihul magyod. God created them. All King of Tyros are born from their parents, di ba? So that is symbolical. Thou art the anointed cherub. Now by King of Tyros ang angel, cherub is an angel. So this refers to an angelic host, an angelic being. So that's why it refers to the angel. Thou was perfect in thy ways, only Adam and Eve were perfect created, except angels, of course, in this world. No? So not the King of Tyros. God created him perfectly. Who created all things in heaven? Colossians 1:13-16. Who created? I like this passage. 13-16. It is God, the Father, the Divine Son. Okay? The Son of God. And who is the Son of God? Jesus Christ is the Son of God. Now, it is the Son of God, Jesus Christ, who created heavenly beings, including Lucifer, who is a perfect being, an angel. Now, who does the Bible say corrupted and defiled this once perfect angel or cherub? Who made him corrupted? Ezekiel 28:17 and 18. Please read that book. Ezekiel 28:17 and 18. Who does the Bible say corrupted and defiled? Isa man ang